no GPS. Jungle heat, I'm under stress. Selena says this is too real. I say keep going, that's the deal. No knees left, no breath to take, but I still move for the waterfall sake. We fall down and rise again. Lost in the wild, but we feel alive. Off the grid, no lines, no road. Bamboo giants overload. Monkey watch from the green above. Nature's chaos, rough but love. Bugs on skin, the heat won't quit. Alina's like, why we commit? I laugh like, trust me, you'll see. Even if it's killing me, then it opens. Waterfall like thunder light. Worth every step, every fight. Costa Rica took us in and made the struggle feel like win, 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 win.
It's true, but we get to see these amazing sights, so it's a compromise.